Okay traders, so in this video we're going to answer a lot of questions. How do I form a higher time frame bias and how do I take winning trades using only three concepts? So when you form a higher time frame bias, we're going to be breaking down a trade from Thursday. So let's just start by understanding what Thursday was doing. So on Thursday over here, what we can see is if I just kind of replay price just before the AM session starts, what we're looking at typically, so we've had Tuesday. So this was Tuesday printing the high of the week at the time, right? So if we just kind of draw this over here, we had Tuesday printing the high of the week. And also you want to understand liquidity and you want to understand fair value gaps. So we had a fair value gap here from Tuesday. I'm just going to mark that in the gray. So that is a fair value gap and that is a point of liquidity because it is the high of the week. Now, if that's the high of the week, where is the low of the week? So the low of the week is down here on Wednesday. We had this very, very large wick, which actually, if you think about it, swept the lows from Monday. So we took out Monday's low just over here. So you want to ask yourself, if Tuesday and Wednesday have done what we call manipulations to the upside and the downside, right? This for me is a manipulation, right? Wednesday/Tuesday will create the low of the week. In this case. Now, this is a Wednesday, and the way that I identify that is by seeing Monday or the previous week's low being swept. I think we may have seen, was it the previous week? Well, we had the previous week low being swept over here on Wednesday. So usually this happens on either a Tuesday or Wednesday. Recently it's been happening on a Wednesday. So when I see this, right, I'm using very, very basic kind of market structure and fair value gaps, right? ICT 101. So we see price breaking structure over here. So we see a market structure shift, we see a liquidity sweep, and we also have a bullish fair value gap resting over here. So we have a bullish fair value gap. So we have signs of a reversal to the upside after Tuesday gave us a very aggressive melt off. So what's going on here? If we just go to Thursday,